I am so excited. We're going to be showing you how to use a brand new product that we got from our good friends over at R&K Distributing.
That's right. Today we're talking about the new Embellish Heat Transfer Chalkboard. Hope Yoder and the team have done it again, and they've created a product I didn't even know I needed.
I know, and I got to tell you, when they said they were sending this, I had no idea what we were going to be getting. But now that we've had a chance to play with it, we cannot wait to show you guys how to use it.
Let's go. So we're going to start by telling you a little bit about the Embellish Heat Transfer Chalkboard. This special vinyl material is heat activated. I wasn't sure what to expect, but it actually feels just like chalkboard, and it's super thin.
Yes, and it comes with this built-in heat-resistant pressing sheet. Now, you've played with it a little bit more than I have. What are some of the ways that you can use this? You know, can you use it like in a digital cutter?
Absolutely. You can definitely use this in a digital cutter. You'll need to mirror the design first and place the material carrier side down before cutting, and then you're good to go.
Oh, that is so cool. All right, so it does seem like, though, that something like this little tool might be handy. This is the Embellish Vinyl Weeding Tool, and this would be great to use to get all those little pieces out that you don't want to transfer for those more detailed designs.
Right.
It can also be used as an applique fabric to transform any of your designs into a chalkboard. All you have to do is, when you write with the chalk, get a damp cloth and wipe it off.
That's right. You can also combine something like the Embellish Heat Transfer Foil with the chalkboard for a multi-layer application, which I think would be perfect for those holiday projects. Or, my favorite, combine the chalkboard with machine embroidery or specialty stitches. This is perfect for applique.
Oh my goodness, and we have a couple examples here that are just adorable. I love it, the whole calendar thing.
They're so cute.
Oh, so cute. All right, so I want to see how this works. You've had a chance to play it, you've had a project in mind, so I think let's see this in action.
Okay, so when I first heard about this product, I immediately thought about all of the awesome labeling opportunities. Because you know, crafty people like us, we love labels on totes, gardening stuff, aprons.
Oh,
love it.
Imagine the holidays, all the little gift tags.
Exactly.
Oh, that would be so cute.
So many options. So today I'm going to walk you through how to create a really easy kids apron label, and we're using a store-bought apron. I am going to cut this freehand using my pinking shears just for that cute decorative edge.
Oh, I love it when it gives that little fun little edge there.
And as you can see, it is super easy to cut. It's just like paper.
Oh, that's great. And it does, and I think having that film on top really makes it stiffer, so that way it's easy to cut.
It's easy to cut. So I've got one prepped here.
Nice.
And you are gonna fuse that in place.
Okay, so my question is, which side is the fusible side and which side is the one that is the chalkboard here?
Got it. Okay, so the shiny side is the pressing side, and the kind of marble, almost a little bit tacky side is the fusible side. So you wanna put that down.
Yeah, no, and it is kind of easy to tell which one it is. Okay, all right. And so I just want to place it where I want to put it. So ooh, let's play a little.
Let's play.
All right. So you could either do it something kind of fun in the center there. You could do it up like a name tag.
That's cute. I like that option.
But I think what I want to do is kind of a fun little like off to the side.
Oh, that's cute.
Yes, I like that. All right. Okay. So next step then, all I need to do is just fuse it down.
That's right.
I just put it right on top.
Just put it right on top.
Don't
overthink it.
Okay, I'm not going to overthink it.
Just give it a nice solid press.
Nice. So it's kind of like just using a regular fusible type thing.
Exactly.
Okay.
Exactly. If you've done that, this will feel very familiar.
Yep. I'm definitely in the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Do your little count.
Yep. Exactly. So just all the way across. Maybe let it cool for a second.
I think let it cool.
Okay. All right, and then I'm gonna try using the weeding tool just to kind of help me maybe get it up a little bit.
Get it started.
Yep. Oh, there we go. Perfect. All right, and then let's go ahead and just, you pull that right off. Oh my goodness, it comes off so easy.
Right.
Yes.
Get those perfect edges.
Oh, I love it. And now, you get that true kind of chalkboard feel.
Exactly, it feels just like chalkboard. Now, you could stop here. This is nice and secure where it is, but I'm actually gonna take it to the sewing machine and stitch around, just decorative, just to add a little bit of pop of color.
Oh, I love it. All right, let's do that.
Okay, here it is, all
Ta-da!
finished.
Yes.
Simple little way to use this product. as you can see, I've added a little bit of decorative stitching around the label just to make it cute.
Yes, no, I love the red, gives it a nice pop of color. Now, how difficult, or was it difficult to stitch through?
Not at all. It was like it wasn't even there.
Oh, that's great. Yeah, because it is. It's just so paper thin. I
Right.
love it.
Right.
Thank you so much, Amanda. This was just such a fun demo, and it turned out to be so cute. All right. Well, what is the best way for people to get this product?
Right, you can go right to the website listed here to find the Embellish retailer near you.
Sounds like a plan. All right. Well, thank you for joining us, and we hope that you have as much fun playing with this cool new product as we did.
Indeed.